So Barry sort of slid off the pillow, may or may not have been pushed by his sister, and is now on his head. Barry. Doesn't look comfy, Barry. Barry. Barry's got a little orange spot by his nose and some boogies. Alright, I won't pick on your boogies now. Oh, your sister says she didn't push you and she misses you. You were warm. Well, slid off the pillow and need to get back on. Right, Barry? Barry. Oh, you're such a prince. A tired, sleepy prince, aren't you, Barry? You are the adorable Barry who can't stop yawning. Oh my goodness. Super sleepy, long-faced Barry. Oh, and sister. Oh my goodness. We just cannot stop yawning. We must not be done with nap time. Alright. More nap time with tummy rubs. Sounds like a plan. Thank you for kisses, Barry. You can go see Barry boy. You silly Barry baby. Gosh, it's getting long. It's a long old Barry. Almost 7 months old. And he's a purr Barry. Not that we can hear it, that the furnace kicked on. Look at the bobly bobo. This is getting long too. Maybe not as long as Brother Barry. Cutenesses.